Hello, welcome to the Meal Service Reporting System, MSRS. In this instructional video, we will explain how to access and use MSRS. What is MSRS? MSRS is an electronic system that allows providers to record meal service and child attendance information on a daily basis. MSRS can be installed and used on a smartphone or accessed online using a computer. This video introduces how to access and use the application or app on your smartphone. You can also access and use the MSRS website from your computer. Just enter msrs.manhattanstrategy.com in your browser and log in using your provider ID and your PIN. How do I download the application? The CACFP study team has sent an email to providers in the study. Instructions for downloading the app to your smartphone are in the email. To download the app, open the email on your smartphone, click on the green button marked Accept Invitation, and follow the installation instructions. How do I log into MSRS? Once the MSRS application loads, you will see the main welcome page for the system, which looks like this. Before you click Get Started, you can select your preferred language, English or Spanish, as the default language for the app. Choose EN for English or ES for Spanish. When you are ready, click Get Started. A screen will pop up referencing the federal OMB control number authorizing the CACFP study to collect information and describing the level of effort required by providers to submit the requested data. On the next screen, enter the provider ID and your provider PIN we emailed you. If you don't know your ID or PIN or have issues logging in with your provider ID or PIN, please email CACFP@manhattanstrategy.com for assistance. Once you have entered your provider ID and PIN, click the blue login button at the bottom to enter the MSRS app. Menu terms. Once you log in, please click the button that looks like 3 horizontal bars in the top left corner. This will reveal the MSRS menu and other useful sections within the app. Use the My Status section to report a closure or any irregular operation hours at your daycare during the study month. First, click the green Report a Closure button. Next, select the date the closure took place and then click Next. Then, select the type of closure: open late, closed early, closed today, or custom. Here we will select closed early. Select the time the closure started in the select time window that pops up. Then click Set. Check to make sure the information you entered is correct, and then click Next. You will see a confirmation page. Click Finish. This is how you report an early closure. To report a full closure, go to My Status and click Report a Closure. Select dates on the closure calendar. Click the date of the closure. Select the closure type and enter the closing time, and then click the Next button. Note that your closure history is shown in the table below the calendar. To cancel a previously reported closure for the day, click the Cancel button beside the reported closure. Review the confirmation of the reported closure and click the 3-bar icon to go back to the MSRS menu. My Enrollment. Once you update your operation status for the study month, select My Enrollment under the MSRS menu to review children enrolled at your daycare. Just slide the button left to indicate that the child is no longer in your daycare. That child will be deactivated. If you need to add a child that is not shown on the enrollment list but should be, please contact the study team at 1-800-418-6024 or email CACFP@manhattanstrategy.com. Go back to the My Enrollment page if you wish to make a change. Meals served. After you log in, you'll see the Meals Served page. On this page, you will select the date, the meal period or type, the time a child was served a meal, if a child was absent, or if a child was present but not served a meal. First, let's record the meal date. Click the calendar icon in the meal date field to select the date of meal service. This should be the current day. Select the date or click the Today button to set today's date. Once done, click Set to confirm selection. Next, let's record the meal period. To select the meal period, click the Meal Period drop-down list and select the meal type you plan to record. Then click Done. The system will save your selection. Third, we'll record meal serving time. Here, you will enter the serving time for the meal you selected and served a child. First, click on the meal serving button to the right of the child's name. Notice that the default status is not reported. If you do nothing, the child will be recorded as not reported. Next, enter the meal serving time. Use the up and down arrows to change the time. Once you have entered the time the meal was served, click Report. Or, if the child was not present at any point today, select Absent. Or, if a child attended your daycare today but did not receive the meal for some reason, for example, if the child came late to your daycare and missed the meal, or if the child brought lunch, then select Not Served. Or, select Clear to exit the pop-up window. Repeat this for each child in the roster. After you complete the process for each enrolled child, you can exit the page. The MSRS app also allows for batch reporting. This feature allows providers to enter a meal serving time for multiple children at the same time. For children receiving a meal at different times, please do not use this feature. To use the batch feature, first select the children being served by checking the boxes to the left of their names. A check mark will appear and the button will change color. Next, select Group Time at the bottom of the screen. The MSRS Select Time window will appear. Use the up or down arrows to enter the time of the meal service. Select Report to save your entry. Then, at the bottom, select Confirm to complete the mealtime recording. Tip: if most but not all children in your daycare are served a meal at the same time, use the batch feature to record meals for children served at the same time. Then enter the information for the children or child with the different meal service times. My Summary. You must submit your meal summary at the end of each operating business day. Under the MSRS menu, select My Summary. The My Summary page presents the total number of meals by type and child. MSRS requires you to report meals served every day during the study month. At the end of each day, providers will need to review the summary page and submit their data as final. Meal reporting is not complete until the provider reviews the information they entered and clicks the Submit as Final button. Please note that you must submit your data by midnight every day. At midnight, the system locks and you will no longer have access to your reporting from that day. You can use the Generate Past Summaries button view and download monthly summary reports for the previous month. Getting help. For help with MSRS, click the Help button located in the MSRS menu. The MSRS user guide is available through the Help menu in English and in Spanish. On the help page, you can send an email or use the study hotline, 1-800-418-6024, to receive assistance. The study team is ready to assist you 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday to Friday. For calls outside of hours, the study team will respond within 1 business day. Thanks for participating in the CACFP Meal Claim Study.